Hey, what's going on, guys? So today, me and my dad are going to pick up a 1976 Datsun 280z. I found it on Marketplace like 2 hours ago and messaged the person, and they said we could come pick it up today. So we're driving about 2.5 hours to Norfolk, Virginia to go pick it up. Supposedly it has 56,000 miles and it has the original title. Yeah, I'll throw up some pictures now of what it looks like. It's in pretty decent condition. All the interior parts are there, the whole engine's there. The fuel rail is disconnected right now and there's no wires, spark plug wires. So when we get there, we're gonna have to check out the floor pans and the rails to see how much rust we're working with. She sent me photos of the rails and stuff, and it looked pretty decent, but you know, we're not gonna know for sure until we get there. And then there are 2 rust holes on the driver's side on the rocker panel, so that's gonna have to be fixed. But other than that, it's a pretty solid car. So now we're gonna go pick up the trailer, and yeah, this trailer is in the worst spot possible. It's like no room. I guess this will work.
Maybe.
I'll get out. Oh.
Maybe I should have went in from there.
That's one way to do it.
Yeah.
All right, trailer is secured and we are ready to go.
When you called them, yeah, she said the lady sitting behind me.
So this is Future Ford editing the video. Just for a little context on the situation here, the U-Haul pickup location we're at is at a gas station, and the gas station clerk is the one that checks the U-Hauls in and out. He spoke very broken English, so it was really hard to understand what he was saying. But he was having an issue assigning the trailer to us, and it didn't seem like he knew what he was doing. Eventually, he asked my dad to come behind the counter to see if he could assist. Something in the system wasn't allowing him to assign the trailer number to us, so we called the corporate help number.
Let me see if I can find someone to do it. Hold on one second.
At this point, we were there for an hour, and then we were on the phone with corporate for another hour before they got the issue fixed.
Yeah, it's a comedy. I feel like I'm on Saturday Night Live. Well, it's not your fault. I just want to become an employee. You got to send me a job application to my email. I can work here part-time. I'm telling you, it's a comedy. No, it's a comedy. He dials you guys and hands me the phone, and I'm already on the phone with you. So that was pretty funny.
Like it's showing us that it's there. Is there a way that you can verify the number that's on the equipment?
Yeah, I'll go out. Yeah, I'll go out and do that now.
So basically, we were there at 5 and didn't leave till 7, and we had a 3-hour drive ahead of us.
Yeah, I am patient.
All right, we got the trailer finally. It's been 2 hours.
2 hours. Guy didn't speak a word of English. Didn't know what he was doing.
And then what you called?
I called their dispatch.
Yeah, the U-Haul.
Employees do that. I'm not an employee. We're gonna have to go back. Oh, Jesus Christ. Can I bring him back tomorrow?
In 1,000 feet, use the right lane to
Okay,
exit
thanks.
right.
Bye.
Those are the guy's glasses that was working at the gas station.
Give up, man. I told you, Saturday Night Live. Here it is.
He just called asking where his glasses were. Jesus Christ.
Now the poor bastard won't be able to see anything.
Let me set a reminder to return the guy's glasses.
Good idea. treasure trove.
Yeah, I need to
of
get
Z
a,
parts. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Treasure trove in the loft.
Yep, there's a whole another
Bumpers,
Z
box,
in the
whole
ceiling.
car up top. and racing seats, which we don't know if they would fit yet.
Did you see the airflow meter up there, or no?
I think it's down there.
Oh, okay.
It's in a box.
Alright.
It's actually in a box for an air filter. It's half blank.
Here comes the other half of another car. The hood. Whoa.
Good?
All right.
Alright, it's midnight, and we have the Z officially. This is insane. We filled the Z up with car parts. We have 2 whole fenders for another Z. We got bumpers. We got wheels. Oh my god. I'm gonna go through all the parts tomorrow. See, we got the bumpers. There's the fenders. We got a hood, a rear hatch, hubcaps. Basically have enough to build a whole other Z. But I'll probably go through this another day and show off all the parts we got. Alright, so I didn't get to film too much while we were there. We were busy pushing the car. We pushed the car from the backyard around to the front. And then we pushed it up onto the trailer. There was 4 of us pushing this thing. We managed to get it on the trailer without fucking up and it shooting off the side. He was generous enough to give us a bunch of parts. There's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna go through it all sometime this upcoming week. And yeah, whether end it here or tomorrow I'll record some more of us taking the car off the trailer. I'm tired. It's midnight. It's about a 3-hour drive back. Got the Z unloaded. It's gonna be sitting here for a bit. It's at an undisclosed location currently. We'll announce something special soon. Just gotta try getting this thing running. Parts of the engine are apart, so we're gonna use my Z for reference when putting it back together. The head was taken off, the airflow meter's out, the fuel rail's off. I think there's a few other things, but yeah. So the main objective is to try to get this running and then work on the cosmetic stuff. Got some rust there, a little bit down there. The usual spots around the wheel well, right here. And then same on this side. Got this rust patch. Other than that, the body's pretty solid. Alright, so this is officially going to conclude the video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed. And also, make sure you turn notifications on if you want to stay tuned with this 280Z build. I'm going to be doing a lot of work to it. And see you in the next video.